This is the Tesla Model 3, an American four-door electric sedan. This car was the most hyped electric vehicle when it was launched back in 2017. So today let's talk about the most affordable electric sedan from Tesla and dive into some facts and figures behind its crazy popularity. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you find this video useful and informative, then please consider subscribing by clicking the red button. First of all, some overview. Launched in 2017, the Model 3 is the smallest and cheapest electric sedan from Tesla. It comes with rear or all-wheel drive setup and has a huge touchscreen in the dashboard, which is one of the most important things for this EV. Now let's talk about the design. At a first glance, you can tell that this is quite an unique looking sedan with very minimal yet subtle styling. This design is also very polarizing. Some people absolutely hate this car as the front looks like a giant catfish, and some people love the design of this car. I personally like the look of the Model 3, but what about you? Would you like the design or not? Comment down below. Anyway, let's talk about the most important thing in EV, range and charging technology. The Tesla Model 3 offers in 3 trim levels. The base model is called the Standard Range Plus, then there's the Long Range, and the top trim is called the Performance. First, let's talk about the base variant, the Standard Range Plus. Comes with a 55 kWh battery pack with single motor rear wheel drive setup. The single motor puts out 325 PS and 420 Nm of torque. This car can do 0 to 100 km per hour in just 5.6 seconds and has a top speed of 225 km per hour. This variant of the Model 3 has a claimed WLTP range of 263 miles or 423 km. The mid variant is called the Long Range. This variant has a dual motor all-wheel drive setup. The dual motor produces 346 horsepower and 527 Nm of torque. This car can do 0 to 100 km per hour in just 4.2 seconds and can reach a top speed of 235 km per hour. This variant of the Model 3 has a claimed WLTP range of 353 miles or 567 km. The top variant of the Model 3 is called the Performance. This variant has a dual motor all-wheel drive setup that can make 450 horsepower and 639 Nm of torque. This car can do 0 to 100 km per hour in just 3.1 seconds and can reach a top speed of 260 km per hour. This variant of the Model 3 has a claimed WLTP range of 315 miles or 506 km. You can add the self-driving functionality in every variant with a cost of $10,000. Now let's talk about the charging capabilities. With your normal 3-pin wall socket, you can add 5 miles of range every hour. Get a wall box charger and you can add up to 22 miles of range per hour. The Tesla supercharging network is the best reason to buy a Tesla. The updated V3 supercharger can charge your Model 3 from 5% to 90% in just 37 minutes, or in other words, you can add 75 miles of range in just 5 minutes of charging. Now let's take a look at the interior. In the dashboard, you have a huge screen that can control everything in the car, from air conditioning to open the glove box, everything. There is no gauge cluster behind the steering wheel as it is included in that huge screen. The seats are made out of leather and the car offers a huge panoramic sunroof to bring the airy feeling in the cabin. At the rear, the bench seat is comfortable for 3 passengers. Combined with a total of 425 liters of cargo capacity, this is a very practical family sedan. Pricing starts from $35,690 for the Standard Range Plus, $44,690 for the Long Range Plus, and $52,690 for the Performance model. Nice. So what do you think about the Tesla Model 3? Would you rather have this or the Volkswagen ID3? Do let me know in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Take care guys. Goodbye.